see. I don't know if that's a lizard or if that is Mr. No Shoulders, as Lisa from Gardening with Lisa would say. But I don't know. I can't get a real good look at it, but I'm hoping it's a lizard because I don't mind lizards, but I don't like Mr. No Shoulders. And I only had one Mr. No Shoulders already. So I'm hoping it's a lizard. Yeah, whew. Chow, it's a lizard. I can do lizards because lizards, they get all the bugs and stuff. So thank you, Jesus. It was just a lizard. Whew. I'm so happy. All right, guys, I'll let you go. Guys, so I found Mr. No Shoulders that I have been spraying ammonia all around my backyard. So he came out right when I was spraying some more ammonia. So just to let you guys know, these things are out, so be careful. I don't know what kind of snake it is, if it's a good snake, bad snake. All I know is anytime I see a snake, it's got to go because I just, whew, they just give me the heebie-jeebies. So this is my second one, No Shoulders. So Lisa, I'm with you on the train of calling all our little Mr. Slithers Mr. No Shoulders. All right, guys, just wanted to let you see this is what I had to deal with. That's his body's over there. His head is over there. You see it? And then that's my tool of choice is my shovel. Woohoo! I'm so glad that I got that one. I don't know if it's the one I was after, but I know that's one less Mr. No Shoulders that I have to worry about. All right, guys. So make sure you have your boots on, which I got my boots on. Make sure you have your gloves, which I have my gloves. And make sure you have your tool of choice. Be careful because it's at the beginning of spring. Well, it's mid-spring and they are definitely coming out. All right, guys. Hope this helped you to stay super safe out in your yard. All right, guys. Have a wonderful day. Have a blessed day. Remember, boots, gloves, your shoes, and some ammonia. Because you see I have my ammonia. Look at that thing still moving. Look at it. It's still slithering around. So I got to take the rest of it out and I'm going to dig a hole and I'm going to put it for fertilizer. All right, guys, let me finish taking care of this. And that's the ammonia that I was using. All right, guys, talk to you later.